Hi there. In this video, we'll show the third way you can operate the convertible top on our 67 Lincoln Continental, and that's via remote control. So we got key fob here with up and down buttons. Pretty simple. Up for the top up sequence, down for top down. So as you can see, the top's already up from our other videos. So we're going to go ahead and press and do a top down. Car is off again, but it'll work just fine. So a nifty little feature, especially if you just want access to the trunk really quick without having to use the key in the quarter panel. Only little caveat with this is because it is remote, there's maybe a 1 to 2 second delay from when you release the button to when it'll actually stop the sequence. So you just got to be wary of that. When you close the trunk, you don't want to over tighten those trunk lock screws.